Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to watch Beanie vs. Episode 6, Mika Olympics Beanie Variety Show. So as you can see, iba yung background ko kasi guys, I'm out of the country. Nag-vacation ako ngayon and grabe yung setup ko ngayon. Like impromptu, like may mga nakapatong na box, tapos yung lalagyan ng wifi, tapos parang lalagyan ng food. So dun nakapatong ngayon yung phone ko. So sobrang unplanned na pag-video na to and wala akong dalang tripod. So, bear with me sa lighting and everything. So, ayan. Hindi ko alam kasi, ayun nga, wala akong kadala-dalang tripod tapos mag-video ako. So, sobrang unexpected and syempre hindi ko naman kayang palampasin tong episode ni Mika. And then, sakto Mikaya Day kahapon, lumayag. So, ngayon din, pagod na pagod ako guys. Kaya sobrang late na ako mag-react. Naka 17k steps ako ngayon. So, ayan. And time check, 10:06 na. Ayan, kadadating-dating ko lang. So, sobrang saya nung Sunday, dun sa Beanie Homecoming. Kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung vlog ko, i-check nyo na lang sa YouTube channel ko. And then, yung mga fan cam ko ng performances nila, sobrang solid nun guys. Like 3 hours for a fan meet. Sobrang solid. Para na din silang nag-Grand Beanieverse noon. And more interactions with Blooms. Tapos yung Shaggy D with Blooms, sobrang solid. So, ito na. Papanoodin ko na to kasi I'm super excited. Late na ako. Beanieverse episode 6. Let's go! Oh my gosh, I'm super excited. Let's go.
Welcome to my episode that is called Mika Olympics!
Let's go! Sobrang excited na ako dito.
Okay, and for today's episode, nako, kailangan natin ng maraming energy kasi my episode is the most active episode among all the episodes so far. Kailangan natin ng maraming energy to live life to the fullest. Kaya we need the extra energy from the all-new best-ever Enervon Z+!
Grabe naman yung outfit. Sobrang ganda din,
Beanie vs.
Of course, Hyper.
Thanks, Mom.
Thanks, Mom.
Can I hug? Thank you. Thank you. Okay, sabay-sabay.
Ang ganda yung Ricolette.
Oh, it smells so orange.
Are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Of course, the ad. Si OA.
Wow!
Listen nyo? Listen nyo? Ito na! Ito na! Let's go!
Ayun na naman ito sa drum.
The energy!
Ang ganda ni Colette. Ang ganda ni Colette. I cannot.
Ito na!
The tablet is not tableting.
Let's go!
Oh my gosh.
It's the energy!
And by the way guys, hindi ako makasigaw kasi nga nasa hotel room ako. So, you know, baka marinig na. Hindi kinakaya ng Game Master. Parang alam mo yun, nasapian ng virus.
Okay, how do we pick up from this one?
Oh my God.
Let's all start my Beanieverse with the energy we got from Enervon! Okay, this is the mechanic. You
Yes,
guys have to create
Joshi.
a cheer.
Ooh. Parang ganito yung mangyayari sa All-Star Game. See you
You guys
guys.
have to create a cheer introducing yourselves by sharing personal stories on how their energy allows them to live their lives to the fullest.
Eh, let's go.
And you have 5 minutes to create your cheer.
Duo na naman. Gulat.
No.
Parang yung si Mika at si Colette lang last game.
Gumagawa na
Naging
sila
twins.
sa utak nila ng cheer.
Naging twin pa.
Sino meron? Bebe, sampulan mo lang. Bebe, 1, 2, 3, go.
Kasi
Dali na.
ano?
1, 2, 3, go.
Huwag mo kasi siya pilitin.
Dali na. 1, 2, 3, go.
Guys, I cannot.
Okay,
Mas
hindi ko
naglalag siya.
naman. Solo lang daw.
Si Colette.
Wala, hindi ko kaya gumawa.
Hindi ko alam kung
Okay,
nandun siya sa
anyway,
recording.
G, you guys have 5 minutes
sorry.
to create this cheer.
Sobrang creative ko.
Then
Oh
perform
my
it.
God!
The top 5 proceeds to the next round. I'm gonna pick randomly the
Pwede may
order.
group. Paano yung
By group.
Hindi nga, solo nga.
Hindi, ano na lang. By group na lang. Tapos sino pinakakikay na ano, dami energy. Yun na yun.
Ano yun?
Si Manu.
Share story.
Hey!
Allow
Hey!
them to live.
Ano,
Ano, kailangan mag-sample ni
magkakwento
Mika.
ka na lang. The cheer is
Wow.
about sharing personal stories.
Hindi, alam ko na. Mag-sample mo na yung Game Master. Para ano
Hindi, walang ganun
Hey!
dito.
Sample mo.
Walang ganun dito.
We follow by example.
Let's go, Mikaya.
Okay, let's start the timer of 5 minutes.
Meron na sila.
Walang ganun dito.
Oo, nag-sample mo.
Walang ganun dito.
We follow by example.
Alam ko na sino panalo. Ito
Okay,
na.
let's start the timer of 5 minutes.
Meron na sila.
Hoy, mag-start na ha? Ayun na, nag-start na sila.
Wala nga. Guys,
5.
voluntary exit na lang ako.
Ito.
Uy!
Uy, may mga pom-poms kayo. Gamitin mo yan.
S-E-A-C-E-Y.
We are the champion of everybody!
Wait lang, wait lang. 5 minutes starts now.
I am good.
Eh, mga Colette. Helping each other.
Alam ko na, kayo na mag-cheer for me.
Guys, mag-voluntary exit na lang ako.
No, Colette.
Nakita ko pa lang yung mga pom-poms, binasa ko pa lang na ganun yung gagawin. Alam ko nang talo na ako.
Hindi! Pumunta ka dyan, walang
Kabunjin.
voluntary exit.
Gawa tayo, gawa.
Ay! Ay, Miss
Ka dyan, walang voluntary exit.
Gawa tayo, gawa.
Ay! Ay, Miss
Ba't Mikaya?
Ayun na, top 5!
Top 4 lang yun, bumalik ka dyan.
Eh, Mikaya.
7, go! 1,
Hey! Let's go, OLY. Ala, sumama ka na.
Ganito lang, gawin nyo by group.
By group na
Pero
lang.
solo-solo, may spot kayo.
Oh, by group tayo, by group na. Tapos sino pinakamadami energy?
Yun yung panalo.
Ayan, oh, madami energy. By group
Grabe,
kami.
energy.
Tapos papasok kayo sa isa.
Ay!
May
Palata na lang.
sasabihin, may sasabihin.
By group na lang, pero solo-solo, may
May
spot
solo
kayo.
spot.
Oh, sige!
Sige, halika na.
Go, go.
Halika na, halika na.
Ako na!
Sino na?
Okay, 5,
Hindi ko nga magawa yan eh.
5, 6, 7, go!
Grabe, nandiyan ka na.
Hindi, may suggestion si Gwen. Tag.
Ayan, Ren.
5, 6, 7, go! Ha!
Grabe, insip ka ba?
Kaldag!
Bawal ka daw.
5, 6,
Sino?
Ayan, ayan.
kahit 2, it's ito. 2, 2, 3, 4,
Siguro, kawawa naman.
Sa cheer, sobrang biglaan lang ng mga nangyari kanina. Alam mo
Baka
yun,
bini yan.
hinayaan lang namin mag-flow yung ideas. Ang ending, wala kami nabuo. It's so perfect.
Wait lang, mayroon akong box dito. Yung bubunutin ko, is yung unang mag-solo. Hala, hindi ko kaya. Hindi ko talaga.
Freestyle na lang, guys.
Yung hindi na sunod yung gusto ng Game Master.
Bunot mo na lang. Dayas.
Dapat on-beat din yung pagbunot.
Sige.
On-beat mo yung
So,
pagbunot mo.
after bilog,
on-beat.
after bilog, one line.
We are Winnie.
Okay.
Magano na tayo, magano one line lang. Bilog muna.
Uy, magpe-perform kayo sa camera, hindi bilog nyo ha. Okay. Gusto ko may split ha.
Okay, I'll give you split.
And then I want some kicks.
Okay.
And jumps.
Ako na sa jump.
Guys, si Malay naubos
you're
sa
not ready
energy.
yet.
Ready?
Are you ready?
Yep!
Si Malay.
5, 6, 7, go!
Nag-relax na lang si Malay. Awa na lang kay Jay.
Mabuhay! 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 We are Philippines! Go there. Hey! Hey! 5, 6, 7, 10. Win!
Eh!
Win!
Eh! Eh! Miss Dove!
Joanna!
5, 6, 7. Joanna! Joanna!
Ooh! Ooh! Ooh!
Joanna!
Hey!
Colette!
Let's go! May bias! Guys, gusto ko iba kaya lang naglalag siya. Eh!
Go! Uy, hindi pa tapos! Daisy!
Stacy! 5, 6, 7, go! Stacy! Stacy!
Eh! Eh!
Stacy!
Oh! Oh! Shush! Kaya kasi style mo nanalo. Oh my gosh! Guys, hindi ko alam kung naglalag siya sa recording pero... Oh! Happy feel talaga ikaw si Manu. Eh! Eh! Grabe itong episode na feel ka nag-album ko. Ay, hindi. Susulat mo na to.
Okay, the finale! 5, 6, 7, go!
Give me an N! Give me an A! Give me an R! Give me a B! Give me an O! Give me an A!
Eh! Colette!
I would rate it a 10 out of 10 kasi ako yung host. Grabe yun! Grabe yung energy doon!
Parang nagpapasalamat si Mika na hindi siya kasali sa part na to. Kasi hindi kinakain ng energy kasi when pa lang at Colette suko.
Now, I want you guys to
outfit
tell
with
me,
that
when did you
necktie?
guys
Oh my God.
feel the most, like, energetic, fullest?
Today.
Today,
Today.
this
Wait,
episode.
Tatawagin pala ni ma'am.
Okay.
When
We did the cheer.
Joanna.
Today,
Because
you know, the Enervon, it changed us to be a better person, to be a better person of this community. And I felt it when I drank water plus energy.
Okay, next, Ate Maloy.
I feel it when we are performing because you know the energy that the
It's giving.
blooms and the people bakit ba nalalaglag? It's okay to reciprocate the energy that they've been giving. Pero kahit na hindi mo sila magbigay ng energy, I think dapat sa atin nanggagaling energy sa passion natin, sa talent
Ayun na
natin,
naman po
and
siya.
everything that we did.
Lapper
Kasi
Malay.
pinaghirapan natin to di ba? Nag-enerbon tayo, tapos hindi
Ayun
ka
na
magbigay
naman
ng
siya.
energy. So sila, wala silang energy, tayo ang bibigay ng energy.
Wala po lang.
Thank you.
I'm so sorry.
Okay, Sheena.
Iyak yan.
Actress Sheena, hello.
Girls, come here. There?
Sige.
5, 6, 7, go.
I feel the most energized every time I wake up in the morning. Because
Josie.
when I wake up,
Josie.
there's energy. If you don't have energy when you wake up, you have a problem. So,
Just go back to sleep.
Yeah, just go back to sleep if you still don't have energy.
Don't go.
Well,
Good
that's
job.
right.
Good job. Ate Colette.
Dapat yun yung sagot ko kay Joanna eh. Ito, today. Ito na yung pinaka-energetic kong ano. Mamaya, sa next episode, sino man ang next, wala na akong energy. Ito na yun. Sagad na.
Pwede makita.
Ate Aya.
Me, when I do my favorite hobby.
Like
Hey. Running.
When I do this. And then, when I do this.
And when you do this.
Oh my God. Sige.
Okay, next
Awa na lang kay Gwen.
I feel most energized when you're
Before you're
when I'm fully healed.
the surgery.
Yes.
Before the
I feel the most energized before I went to the dentist.
Oh
Because she
yeah.
still has knowledge. Yup. And wisdom.
Kawawa naman si Gwen. Okay, next. Sino last? Stacy.
I feel energized every time I jog, every time I
Wow.
wall climbing.
Wow.
What? How do you jog?
How do you judge?
How do you jog?
Yes, Cozy.
Yeah, I jog like every morning at 5 a.m.
Wow.
I
Ang
wake
5
up
steps lang yun.
5 steps lang.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Parang si Malo yun. Yung gano'n yung mag-jog.
No, I'm just kidding. Every time I perform, of course. That's when I feel energized. How about you, Mix?
I feel energized every time I'm here with Enervon.
Or playing volleyball. Playing volleyball.
Oh my God. At dahil dyan, pipili na ako ng aking top 5. I want everyone to close your eyes.
Okay.
Close your eyes.
Si Aya, hindi
If I tell
naka-close
you
yun.
you're in the
Hindi
next
naka-close
round.
yung
Wow,
eye.
direct Lori namimigay.
Yung ano, parang yung ano lang, impostor.
Mafia.
Naklose na kayo?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Tuwa-tuwa si Gwen at si Colette.
most energized right now.
Okay. Tanggap ko naman na lagi na lang akong nasa top 5.
Are you guys ready for the
Si
next
Shin
round?
talaga lagi nasa top
are born
5.
ready.
Feeling ko top 3 din.
All right, now let's move on to the second round.
Let's go.
And here are our top 5.
Kaya naman kayo, di nyo ako pinapanalo hanggang top 5 lang ako.
Hindi, baka panalo ka na this round. Kasi this round, meron tong kinalaman sa gummy bears. Okay. So 5 players are
Hindi
going to
talaga pwede dyan si Gwen.
May makinig kayo sa mechanics. 5 players to transfer the gummy bears from one big bowl using a straw. Bawal gumamit ng kamay. To the bottle on the other side.
Bawal gumamit.
Ano
Kumot
pala?
yung game
Kasi
master.
madelay tayo. Guys have 3 minutes to do it.
Okay.
And then
Grabe
3
naman yung
players
game
with
master,
most number of gummy
napakaganda.
bears proceed to the next round.
Si Gwen at si Colette
Are
nagsusuko
we
na
ready?
doon. Spilling that shit.
Okay, let's bring the props in.
Look at them.
Top 5, take your positions.
Tama ba to? Gitna si Ate Jo?
Ready? Timer starts now.
Ooh.
Hindi nadidikit yung gummy bear sa straw ko kasi natatawa ako kay Joanna. Kasi rinig na rinig kung paano siya sumipsip ng gummy bear. Ang hirap humigop ha. Ang hirap sumipsip.
I thank myself for holding in my breath na after that sumakit nga yung ulo ko.
Let's go! Oh, naglalag siya, guys.
Sure
I
naman
cannot-
guys.
Hindi ko po ginusto ang laro. Ayan, yung shoot candy. Kasi hindi siya kaya ng aking bibig ngayon. Masaya na ako napapanood silang masaya.
Sila talaga. Kung nagka-top 3 si Stako and... Uy! Madaya!
Sorry. Not sorry.
Wow.
Doon ako sa side eh!
Period.
At kaya dito ako eh!
Yung tawa talaga ng...
Guys, huwag yung kulay eh. Hello, favorite ko yan. Chan-chan kasi yung ano ko. Oh guys, kaya niyo yan. Kaya ako yellow.
Ano nangyayari? Ang dami-dami.
Ang daya nyo inaan!
Yan, nakaangat dapat yung straw.
Thank you. Bawal!
May kaya, may kaya.
Ulit ka dun.
Nagtatawanan din.
Sana talaga ng mga to.
Huwag ka kasi
Slay. Walking like...
Guys,
Walking
relax
like
lang
a,
kasi.
ano,
Ayan, si
queen.
Ate Maloy, naka-relax lang, oh.
Yan, yan. Dandahan.
At paano kasi tawa ng tawa si Shin?
Masaya ko nito.
Yan.
Hindi matatapos yung mga tawa ng tawa
Jojo.
talaga. The outcome, lasting. Slay.
Bakit kumali ako namin?
Yung tatlo hindi makakatapos.
I'm safe. I can now. I'm safe.
Oh,
Uy! Ano ba yun? Huwag ka tumakbo doon.
wag ka na tumakbalo. Sabi ni Colette.
Guys, violet na si Aya.
May kaya hanggang mag-violet, Julat hanggang
Ay, bawal
mag-violet.
yan! Bumalik ka dito. Go, guys.
Grabe naman maglakad si Mika, napaka-toppy.
Ayoko na.
Talo na ako.
Si Ate Maloy, focus na focus.
Ay!
4,
Slowly but surely.
2, 1.
Okay, tama na,
Naubos yung energy. Josie eliminated.
Dami! Galing! Paano nyo ginawa? Hirap. Hirap.
Guys, I have a trick.
Ito kasi si Sam.
Parang malindot.
Everyone stand back. Stand back. Okay, bibilang na tayo. Sino dito?
Aya.
Okay. Sarap ng pool. Ayun.
Bye.
You have been eliminated, Josie.
Bye.
Oh.
I did my very best,
Ano
pero
naman na kasi yung tawa?
I'm not the best.
Ang hirap sumipsep, pero ako yung pinakauna nakashoot. Pero hindi ko alam, after nun, pinapatawa na ako nila bebe, tapos ginagano nila yung stroke ko. So, wala na, hindi na ako nanalo.
Yay!
This one's Ate Maloy's. Siya yung pinakamarami. Dami. She has 9 gummy bears.
Guys,
Main
galing
goal.
ang hangin niya sa may vocalist.
Joanna has 2.
Ikadalo.
Stacy has 2.
Josie.
Sheena has 3. Ate Aya has 6. Galing Ate Aya.
Bias ka, bias. Baka may kaya. May kaya.
So our top 3 are Sheena. And
As
Ate
always.
Maloy. And Ate Aya.
Ang cute na tinatawag ni Mika si Aya na Ate Aya. Tapos si Aya,
Me reaching
tinatawag si
top
Mika
3
na
is my
Mika,
favorite.
Micaela, Jonalyn.
How do you feel that you're on to the last round?
Pinipreserve ko lang energy ko.
How about you?
Lalaban na siya.
feel lucky.
How about you?
I feel lucky.
Lucky.
I'm the luckiest.
I'm the luckiest.
You're the luckiest.
Luckiest.
Malakiest.
Luckiest.
Let us all
Anong laban ni
welcome the
Maloy
last
sa
round
malakiest?
of today's episode, which is called Jackstone Premium Challenge.
What's
And
that?
this is the hardest, I would say the hardest challenge. But first, let's welcome our top 3!
Let's go.
We are going to play Jackstone. But the catch is, di ba yung bola ng Jackstone maliit lang?
Yeah. You're right.
But this one we're gonna use a volleyball because I love volleyball. Diba?
Yeah, the bola is...
So, nandyan kayo sa floor.
Oh.
Yung Jackstones nasa floor, pero
I
you
got
don't
it.
hold the volleyball.
Yeah,
Okay?
Sabay-sabay.
And then 2 minutes time limit per each player.
Okay, each player.
Okay?
Ate Aya.
And then I will award the player.
Pinagtulungan si Aya.
Are you ready? Timer!
Let's go, Aya.
Starts
I'm rooting for
now.
you.
Pagkuha na isa, ilipat.
1,
Oh, hindi yung diretsong ganun.
2,
Let's
Mahirap
go.
yan.
Let's go.
3,
Gawin mo.
4.
Bawal yun, gumalaw. Pwede ba yun?
Bawal!
Bawal gumagalaw.
Dapat tapon ko.
Ayun.
Bawal ang alin.
Gumalaw
Si
yun.
Mika, grabe naman yan.
Wala.
Okay lang yan, touch mo.
You're delusional.
Oo, dalulo.
Oh yeah. Tuna.
Yan! Huwag masyadong malayo. Tapon mo. Yan!
Let's go, Aya.
Okay lang yan, okay na. Yan! Ay!
Okay lang, sige.
Okay lang yan! Wala kayo nakita! Yan! Kasi na 3.
Okay lang yan, basta si Ate Ay, okay.
Ay! Ulit!
Hindi kasi disqualified na daw siya.
Ang hirap! Okay lang ate. Depende sa rule yung bawal mo kumalaw. Pero dapat yung
Pag 3 mahirap.
Kailangan nagawa ng energy. Si Colette to.
bawal mo.
Nahiya naman si Colette.
Pag natamaan.
Sa amin depende. Depende sa usapan niyo. Ayan, yun talaga.
Sige na, go na. 4.
Let's go.
Baliw ka talaga, bawal yun.
Eh, first round pa lang may gumalaw na.
Depende sa rules nung game.
Ay,
Yan.
sa pag ganon, back to zero.
Pag
Yan. Diba?
Last 10, 9, 8, 7.
May tatlo. One more. Sige na, go na.
3, 2, 1.
Okay. Round 1 pa lang, mali.
Ang hirap.
When I
Kasi
saw
ang
the
bola.
volleyball sa Jackstone game, I really missed like my volleyball days and playing volleyball
Season
in
again,
general.
volleyball player.
So, alam na natin sino to.
Hindi, edi pwede
Nice try.
Gumalaw lang siya, number 3 lang. So, pwedeng gumalaw, tapos kapag may mali kang ginawa, ulitin mo lang yung level na yun. Bounce ng madami.
3, 2, 1.
Level 1 na ata.
Uunahin na naman ni Shira yung sigaw.
Oh, shit. It's okay. Ayaw nga.
Yan, ganyan lang. Yan.
Ang lamig.
Oh, shit. Parang Squid Games to, ah.
Ang lamig guys.
Sige na, go.
Okay lang yan.
Talo ka na eh. Oh, 2 na, 2.
Layo ka na.
Kaya mo yan, Shira.
Layo mo.
Sige na, go na. Continue mo na.
Yan.
Walang mali sa'yo.
Sige na, go lang. Go.
Go lang, walang mali sa'yo. Oo.
Go lang.
Happy she, happy Bini.
Perfect ka. Yay! Okay lang. Okay. 3.
Yan.
Oh! Yes, baby! Let's go! Eh! Yes! Sige, tama! Lahat na ginagawa mo!
Kaya ba? Tawag ba nag... Warm up?
It's not my sport, Jackstone. So, I accept my defeat. Kasi pag winner ka talaga, you accept defeat din.
Ano level ako? 2.
Oh my gosh, please don't tell me. Oh my gosh.
Hindi lang marunong mag-Jackstone.
Timer starts now.
Grabe naman yung si Mika Lim. Yan naman sa paganda. The way siya umupo.
Ay, magaling.
Panis ka, Ate Aya.
Oo, panis
Bang
ka.
kamandag ng lemery.
Level.
Galing!
Eh.
Wow!
Wow, girl.
Pro.
Wow!
Ooh.
Favorite
That's pala
sports ko yun.
mataas. Oo, itaas yung bola.
Sports talaga.
Sports ko yun.
Sports daw to ni Gwen.
Sampunin natin si Gwen.
Sige.
Hindi pwede magbabounce yung chick.
Pagbabounce yung chick.
Chill lang.
Wow.
Galing nyo naman.
Wow! Ay, sayang.
Hirap pag tatlo na kasi puno na yung ano mo ng bola.
Wow!
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 Tapos tamaan.
Talo na si Aya.
Galing.
Anong next dyan?
Ayan na.
4.
Oy!
Basta hanggang makano ka 10. Tapos lahat yung kukunin.
Competitive. Oh, panalo na si Maloy.
5.
Nice one!
Hey!
Wow! You're the
Grabe
winner na.
naman yan.
Mother.
Mother.
Sirap
Ayun pala na ni Malu.
35 seconds left.
Wow!
Pangalawa.
7. Ay, na yan.
Okay yan.
Sige.
Go lang.
Sige na, 10 mo na. 10 mo, 10.
10.
Kaya na yan.
Si Gwen.
Layo. Wow!
I feel validated. Feeling ko pwede na ako mag-Olympics.
Merong si Gwen naglaro.
Okay.
Na ako.
And the winner is...
Ate Aya! Ate Uyo, Ate Uyo, Ate Uyo.
I wanted to win. Siya din. She wants to win. Karing.
Let's all congratulate Ate Malo!
Jackson.
Ginalingan.
Favorite. Kasi ginagawa ko yun ng grade 6 ako.
Like, sino hindi
So, ang saya.
nag-pro sa Jackson?
Dami nangyari. And nanalo ko.
Pangalawa na.
Ano pang ilang win mo na to? Second?
It's my second win.
Wow!
Yung sa'yo. Mikaya.
Ay! Oh!
This is yours, Ate Malo.
Correct!
Congratulations!
Kaya episode na nalo siya.
And this is yours. Grabe, ang energy namin lahat in my Beaniverse. Yeah, thanks for the help of Enervon Z Plus for the extra energy to do each challenge. Wow, ano to?
Kaya magkatabi. Oh my God! Layag pa din kahit pa paano.
Oh, ba't wala niyan tayo? Meron. May ganyan tayo.
Okay, kinuha ng nanay ko.
May fun rin sila.
Ano ba yung wala tayo mag-shoot? Sama-sama.
Ay, ang galing naman. Joke lang. Yes, my photo cards. Wow!
Grabe na
Thank you so much, Enervon.
Yung visual. Ha?
Thank you so much, guys.
Enervon, I love you. I didn't mean to do that.
Makakulit. May kaya.
Kiss daw, kiss.
Thank you so much for watching
Bakit
our
kinat?
episode
Bakit
of
kinat?
Olympics Versus.
Sa unreleased sana ipakita yun.
Iba talaga ang epekto ng
Alam naman natin,
This
kayang
episode,
gawin ng
hindi ako
makulit
na-drain.
yun.
Sobrang energized ko. Like, sabi ko, ba't kaya? Yung pala, bago mag-start, uminom ako ng something. What's that something?
Enervon.
Enervon!
Diba, energized na tayo?
Makulit na
Okay,
kaya.
guys, one more round of the cheer. Woo!
Huwag niyo akong isipin kasi affected lang ako ngayon eh. Hindi ako nakakapag-pull out talaga eh.
Wala dapat meron kang Mika. Wala ka doon.
Go. Kasi host ako. Sundalan na yun.
May kaya. May kaya showdown ba to? Wow. Wow! I mean, alam ko naman ang gawin ni Miko yun, pero... So, ang predictable, hindi nakatingin si Jo, hindi nakatingin si Saka. Oh, the way siya tumayo. Wow! Si Colette.
Bilang, volleyball. Mas masakit mo.
Laro daw volleyball.
Bakit yun?
Wow!
Next round.
What's your problem? What's your problem? Si Colette ang din.
Tara, bilang, volleyball.
Bilog volleyball.
Mas masakit mo. Bakit yun? What's your problem?
What's your problem? So, ayan guys, hindi ko alam kung maganda ba yung kakalabasan nitong reaction ko na to. Kasi nga, ayun nga, as in, ayoko ng ganito. Yung parang hindi ako confident sa i-upload kong video. Kasi, ayun nga, parang hindi okay yung setup, hindi okay yung video, hindi okay yung lighting, yung recording, feeling ko, pati sa recording, naglalag yung pinanood ko. So, I'm sorry na agad guys if ayun yung kakalabasan niya. Kasi anong gagawin ko? Gusto ko na itong mapanood. Wala akong dalang laptop or anything. Kaya tablet lang yung gamit ko. So, ayan, and sa Friday, pag nilabas yung unreleased, baka nandito pa din ako. Ito pa din yung setup ko. So, bear with me, please. And, grabe tong episode na to. Parang nung nung episode ni Aya, diba? Layag na layag din yung Micaiah, pero si Maloy yung nanalo. Pero, ngayong episode ni Mika, si Maloy ulit yung nanalo, pero layag na layag pa din yung Micaiah. So, okay na ako doon kasi ang galing naman talaga ni Maloy. I-give na natin sa kanya yon. Deserve niya manalo, pero ayun nga, lumayag ang Micaiah ko for today. And tuloy ang July calendar ng Micaiah Lawan. So, I'm super happy and grabe, like, yung energy ko kasi di ba nga pagod na pagod ako kakalakad. So, pagdating dito, parang nawalan ako ng energy, pero nung napanood ko to, grabe, parang, alam mo yun, parang uminom din ako ng Enervon, yung energy ko, grabe talaga. So, I'm super happy and super excited na ako sa next episode. Sino na lang hindi? Si Jo at saka si Sheena. Oh my gosh. Feeling ko si Jo na yung next and then panghuli si Sheena kasi grabe yung dalawang yun. Nai-imagine ko yung gulot sa episode nila. So, ayan. I'm super excited. So, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Annyeong!